In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook temporarily blocked error 5 minutes. If you're seeing a temporarily blocked message, don't panic. It usually means Facebook detected unusual activity like rapid actions, logging in from multiple locations, or using an unfamiliar device. The quickest fix is to secure your account and sign out of any extra sessions, so Facebook can trust that it's really you. Start by opening Facebook. You can do this on a computer or in the mobile app. The names of the menus are the same. Once you're in, go to your profile. On desktop, that's the profile picture at the top right. On mobile, tap the menu icon, then your profile picture. Next, open Settings and Privacy. This is where you control account and security options. From there, choose See More in Account Center. That takes you to the centralized settings that cover your Facebook and connected profiles. If you're prompted, stay signed in on the device you're using for these steps. In Account Center, go to Account Settings. Think of this as your control hub for everything related to your login and security. Now select Password and Security. This section is key for resolving temporary blocks because it lets you review where your account is currently active. Tap where you log in. Here, Facebook shows a list of devices and locations where your account is signed in. If you manage more than one profile, select your account so you're viewing the right session list. Look through the entries. You'll often see phones, tablets, or browsers you've used before, and sometimes old sessions you forgot about. Scroll down and choose Select Devices to log out. Pick any device you don't recognize or no longer use. If you're unsure, it's fine to select most devices and keep only the current one you're using right now. Confirm the logout. This action ends those sessions and signals to Facebook that you're taking control of your account. After logging out of other devices, give it a moment and try using Facebook again. If you still see the temporarily blocked message, wait a short while and try once more. Temporary blocks can take a bit to clear, especially if there were many active sessions. Going forward, avoid rapid repetitive actions, don't use automation tools, and stick to logging in from devices you trust. That's it. By reviewing where you're logged in and signing out of extra sessions, you reduce risk and usually clear the temporarily blocked error fast. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get back into your account smoothly.